International Master Addictions Coach certification program is the largest, most comprehensive addiction coaching program currently available today. The IMAC is fully internationally accredited and has been offered and taught in 25 countries and 5 languages. With over 10 areas of addiction study, you will dive deep into the world of addiction coaching firsthand. We offer the program by virtual classroom, video format, audio format, handouts, and even 25 weeks of clinical group supervision to hone your skills as a master certified addictions coach. Most people diagnosed with substance use disorder have multiple addictions besides drugs and alcohol, and most addiction recovery coaches are only trained to handle those issues. If you want to offer the most comprehensive coaching services to your clients and their families, you need the most comprehensive training on the market to do it. Imagine expanding your market and your service platform to offer coaching in other areas like internet addiction, food addiction, life coaching, harm reduction, or even family coaching. If you're building a private practice, it is imperative to offer the most comprehensive list of services to your clients to not only assist them in harnessing their true potential, but also to increase your marketing value and services platform. The more styles of addiction coaching you can offer, the better to fill your practice with quality clients. Maybe you're a therapist or a counselor that is tired of working 60+ hours a week just to keep up with current insurance billing paperwork, and you want more freedom and more income to enjoy life, then the IMAC is for you. Imagine sitting by the pool on a Tuesday afternoon while everyone else is working. That is what an addiction coach can do, because you set your own schedule and you're not stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. The International Master Addiction Coach certification is a 125-hour program encompassing 10 different classes and 25 weeks of clinical coaching supervision. It centers around 8 core courses and 2 additional classes to expand your practice and make you marketable to your ideal client market. If you desire to be the top of your profession and want to add addiction coaching to your existing practice or create a great coaching practice, this is the course program for you. We meet all International Coach Federation guidelines for you to join as a member once you complete your courses with us. Most of our students start off with the Recovery Coach certification and want to expand their services platform to reach more clients and garner more income. There is no counseling degree, previous experience, or education required, as these courses are all self-contained and we provide you with all the tools you need to succeed. We even offer a full 7-week marketing platform to teach you how to be a stellar coach and build that 6-figure practice you're dreaming of. So dream no further. We will help you get where you want to go, and we can do it in 10 months or less. The International Master Addictions Coaching certification encompasses the following core courses: Certified Recovery Coach Level 1 and Level 2, Certified Family Coach, Certified Life Coach, Certified Internet Addiction Coach, Certified Food Addiction Coach, Certified Nutritional Coach, Certified Harm Reduction Coach, Relapse Prevention Training, and Ethics Training. So how do you become an International Master Addictions Coach? You simply pick the courses that are either live virtual classroom or video self-study and enroll for those dates. Choose your virtual class or video course, choose your self-study options, and then be ready for your clinical coaching supervision on Tuesdays from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The supervision session is where you hone your coaching skills and get real-world advice and answers to your questions while you practice. The IMAC program can be done in under 10 months and is offered exclusively through the Addictions Academy. All of our classes will give you the tools you need to be in practice as a master addictions coach or an expert addiction coach. Supervision by a clinical supervisor and the best top trained coaches in the world will hone your coaching skills and abilities. Courses are offered by live virtual classroom, live in person, and also self-study. You can view our calendar of courses below. The program includes 10 courses, including all manuals and exams, 25 weeks of clinical supervision, a copy of our #1 best-selling book, copy of our Forms and Documents book, and bonus, our marketing and business development class for free. So click below to register today or call a member of our elite team at 1-800-706-0318 extension 2.